To fix cannot find an album on Gallery app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first, you can try to check whether the album has been accidentally hidden. To do so, open Gallery app, tap More icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select Hide Albums. Find the missing album, and then make sure to deselect the album by tapping the blue on offset next to the album until the switch turns gray to turn it off. Tap the back key. Tap View All to view all your albums. As you can see, the selected album is now be displayed here again. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.